Daddy's coming to get that baby. Daddy's gonna get that baby! Daddy's gonna get that baby!
Can you say hi? Good job. Can you give Daddy 5? Give Daddy 5. Give him 5. Good job.
Good job.
Yay!
Daddy got the baby! Daddy got the baby! Daddy got that baby!
Now what?
Daddy's gonna get the baby! Get that baby! Get that baby!
You're marching pretty good there, kiddo.
Hey, give Daddy 5. Oh, silly babies. Hey, give Daddy 5. Isaac, give Daddy 5. Give Daddy 5. Good job.
Oh, can you do it again?
Give Daddy 5.
Where are you going? Oh, what a sweet baby. Can you give Mama 5? Can you give Mama 5?
Give Daddy 5. Give Daddy 5.
Hey, can you give Mommy 5? You got somebody coming.
Calm down. Daddy's right here. Bring it on down. Bring it on down now. Bring it on down now.
Are you going to get Daddy? Where are you going? Hey.
Go back. Shoo! Shoo! Come on down.
That's your Daddy.
Come on down now. Come on down now. Come on down now. Come on down now. Mommy's gonna run out of film.
Space on my hard drive. You guys, you can't go down the stairs from that side.
Well, someday you're gonna watch this video and laugh that you used a hard drive on your phone. There's flash drive, really. Laugh that you use a flash drive on a phone when, you know, the quantum drives are so much more sophisticated and store 23 teraflops per megapixel. In the flux capacitor, baby. Hi there.
No.
Oh, that could be disastrous. Baby, Daddy's gonna have to clean your nose out, and you're not gonna like it.
Hey.